Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on my channel I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get your tags for free. How I get my own tags on my store, and this is my store. Actually, this is my second store, and I'm trying to build on shirts and caps only. So I'm going to be showing you how I actually get my 50 days and my 50 tags for free, and you can actually use this software also for yourself because it's actually very good. It's going to be showing you how many times the tags has occurred and everything based on stats, so you guys actually check it on and let me know what you actually think about it. So let me know in the comment section everything about what you want and everything and anything you want, or you understand. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I'm very sorry if you are hearing any sound right now. It's actually the rain. The rain is falling at my own side. So try and click on the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos, you understand. And if you like this video, kindly like it and share it to your friends because it's actually going to be very helpful also. So let's move into the stuff. So right now I'm going to be trying to add a new what's it called, a new design. So I'm going to show you. I'm not going to edit it though. I'm just going to show you how I generate my tags for Redbubble and everything, you understand. So let's move into it. So this is right here. So I'm actually going to, I have a design actually created down, you understand, because I create a lot of designs down for future use, you understand. So I get this design. I think I've not posted this, but I'm not actually posting now, you understand. So I'm just trying to show you how I get tags and everything. So this design is all about, let's say, a lamp and a light, you understand, and a typographical text, you understand. You're going to be seeing it right now after it uploads, you understand. Yeah, so this is the design. It says it's actually like a lamp and a light, and there's one particular thing right here, find the light. So if you can see it right here, you can see it right here. So I'm going to check edit this and let you see how the designs look like, you understand. So it's can you see find the light, you understand. So that's my main topic. My main topic will actually be find the light, you understand, because it's actually kind of clear. So how am I going to get these tags? So I'm going to be showing you that, right? You just need to create a new tab right here and move into red. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe right now, you understand. You're going to type red tag get generator, Redbubble tag generator, you understand. But if you haven't subscribed and you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the link below and the subscribe button below. Yeah, it's actually free. So click on notification bell also to get notified when I drop new video. I've dropped videos on a lot of stuff, you understand, that is actually going to help the public in general, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And you guys that don't know about Redbubble is actually a print-on-demand website where you can design and get cash easily at the side. It's not going to give you a lot of cash like that, but it's actually like a site also, you understand. So you're going to go to the automation merch titans. So there you're going to create an account. If you don't know how to create an account on this website, then you should comment in the comment section. Let me know if you can create the account, because it shouldn't be complicated. It's actually very simple. I'm not going to be going through that creation right now. So you just need to create your account, and if you don't know how to create it, send me in the comment section. Then I'm going to be showing you videos on how you can create it. I'm going to list where you can actually get your tags in maybe my future videos, where you can get tags easily, 50 tags, and they're actually very helpful. So if you want to get those also, drop a like and click on the subscribe button so that you won't miss it, and the like will let me know that yeah, a lot of people want this. You understand? A lot of people want this. So right now, the topic of my what's it called, of my design is actually find the light. So I'm going to copy and paste it right here. So find the light, and that's my base that I'm going to get the tags. It's actually going to be loading everything according to stats and occurrences. You understand? It's actually going to be loading the tags for me, and the higher the number, you're going to see how it's actually going to look like. But I'm going to advise you that the higher the number, the higher the chance that your tag is actually very, very good. You see, the number is actually high, right? And 91 times, 48 times, 46 times. So I'm going to format all this, and like it's actually going to be showing like this. So I'm going to be copying it, and you're going to check the commas. So it's actually the one differentiating them. So I'm going to paste it right here. I'm not sure if I actually copied anything. Yeah, that's what I said. I said I'm not sure if I actually copied anything. So right here, I'm going to like copy right that, and then post it. You understand? So I don't just take everything and just move on. You understand? I actually like think about, okay, let me like, there's another keyword right here which is light. So I'm going to delete all this and use the light only. You understand? To get more occurrences. You understand? And it's actually going to be showing me, I think it should be showing me more occurrences than the 48, because you see, it's actually showing me, it showed me a better occurrences, because there are some that are actually not going to be showing you this ones that is actually going to be showing you less. So you need to like split them up, try other keywords. You understand? And when you see find the light, the title is actually find the light. So it's actually like um a motivational word. So I'm going to be typing motivation, you understand, and get another tag from there. So it's actually like using like three keywords to get different tags, and it's actually going to be giving you enough traffic to your designs. You understand? This one is actually the best of them. I will see it's actually giving me 100 times of occurrences. So it's actually like very, very good, and it didn't even drop really to the it didn't drop below average like quickly. It actually reached 52 to 50. You understand? Which is actually good. So you can actually format this and copy this. You understand? So you try and copy, like, don't base on only one search. You understand? That's what I'm actually trying to do. So don't base on only one search, and you can actually like get this done. Then you edit it and place it into your shop. You understand? I'm not editing because of this, is actually just for the video. You understand? So you guys should try this Match Titans automation. It's actually very, very good. This is what I use, and it's actually a very, very good website for you to like get your Redbubble tag generator. You understand? So thank you for watching this YouTube video. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, smash it really hard, and click on notification bell also to get notified when I drop new videos, new fucking videos. Thank you very much.